Pad Prik King, one of many popular dishes from middle part of Thailand. It is spicy, salty, and sweet. Can eat with cucumber. So yummy. Let's get started. Ingredients: pork, long beans, red curry paste, brown sugar, fish sauce, kaffir leaves, cooking oil. Cut the head and tail end of the beans off. Then cut 2 cm long. Cut kaffir leaves lengthwise as thin as you can. Then set aside. After that, cut pork into thin slices. Early turn on the cooker. I will always use high heat, for the pot can get heat up faster. Add cooking oil 1½ liters. Add 2½ oversized tablespoons of red curry paste. Fry until you get good aroma of curry paste. I use medium heat to fry, otherwise the curry will jump everywhere. When the curry paste is the right consistency, add pork. Then turn over until the pork is well mixed with the curry paste. When the pork is half cooked, then add the beans and turn over all the ingredients to mix well. Pour a little bit of water, about half a cup. Following with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And turn over a couple of times. Let the beans cook about 1 minute. Then turn over the ingredients to mix one more time. When all of it is cooked, turn off the cooker. Before serve, garnish with kaffir leaves and chili. Enjoy!ขอขอบคุณทุกท่านที่ติดตามผลงานของเราแล้วพบกันวิดีโอหน้านะคะ Thank you for watching and following our channel. See you next video.